Here at Hempel we have over 100 years experience in manufacturing marine and protective coatings, offering tailored anti-corrosion solutions that really make a difference. Our 15 globally based research and development teams are focused on enhancing the attributes of the products we offer to deliver improved productivity for all our customers. Hempaline linings are our dedicated high-performance solution for corrosion protection in the aggressive environments found in the oil and gas and power generation industries. Tried and trusted for over 40 years, these linings offer superior performance against the main causes of corrosion. Working processes such as extreme temperatures, pH swings and high abrasion, as well as the tank cargo, which may be acidic, caustic, a strong solvent or an oil and water mixture, all make for highly corrosive conditions for steel and concrete tanks. Even the smallest undetected corrosion failure can ultimately lead to a loss of containment and ensuing safety and environmental issues. Hempaline linings are engineered to resist these aggressive elements.
Let's take a closer look at how our Hempaline Defend epoxies have been designed to withstand challenging environments. Storage tanks may be exposed to corrosive salts, extreme pH levels, temperature swings and more, which makes for highly corrosive conditions for steel, concrete and other substrates. During the storage of corrosive oil and water mixtures, water molecules separate from the oil and begin to penetrate through the paint film, eventually reaching the tank bottom and initiating the corrosion process. As the temperature increases, so too does the rate of water transfer. Hempaline Defend linings are engineered to delay the corrosion process by forming a low permeability barrier between the storage tank bottoms and the chemicals they contain, resulting in an increased maintenance interval and less downtime for your assets.
At Hempel, we work with each customer to understand their specific working and cleaning processes to ensure that we offer them the correct Hempaline lining solution. Our Hempaline epoxy linings are designed for use on storage tanks, process vessels and secondary containment areas, whilst our vinyl ester range is ideally suited to the protection of power plant FGD ducting, absorbers and other equipment. Both these Hempaline ranges can be used on either steel or concrete, and are also flexible enough to be applied to even the largest diameter storage tanks while being resistant to steam and other cleaning processes. Hempaline lining solutions offer many advantages to our customers, whether they're owners, specifiers, contractors or applicators. With raw materials readily available around the world, Hempaline linings can be manufactured locally for fast delivery. They are applied using standard airless equipment for efficient and time-saving application. Our rapid cure systems can have assets back in service in as little as 24 hours. Our team of more than 600 Frosio or NACE certified coating advisors are on hand, on site, to ensure your coatings are applied correctly and efficiently every time. Hempaline linings give a proven, lasting corrosion protection for a long service life and extended maintenance cycles. And Hempaline linings are proven in the field, currently protecting assets at many power plants and refineries across the USA and the Middle East. From the largest power stations to the busiest oil and gas facilities, our linings protect your assets with advanced anti-corrosion performance. When you choose Hempaline from Hempel, you can be confident you're choosing a product you can trust.